What's up everyone, Natalie here from Serpstat. Welcome back to our channel, and as usual, before we begin our main agenda for today, I just want to give you all some quick information about this lead generation tool that we have developed here in Serpstat, and it's going to help you get white label audits for your website. So in order to get started, all you need to do is of course to head on over to serpstat.com, and here you just need to fill out this information boxes here. Click on the get your free audit so that you can have some first-hand experience about or with regards to the lead generation tool that I have mentioned, and also there is this free guide that you can get as well if you are interested in finding out how Serpstat is helping agencies generate additional thousands of dollars per month running on autopilot. So if you want to have that, just leave your first name and email and then click on the find out how button. Of course, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to our mailing list. But having said all of those, let's go now to Serpstat so that we can get started here as well. So previously on the video that I posted prior to this, we've talked about how the keywords function works in PPC research. So today we'll be talking about competitors. So if you have been following this series, by now you would have noticed how similar all of the functions are depending on the feature that we want to utilize. Example for this one, competitors is present in all of the core tools tabs. You can see it here. You can see it in domain analysis. So it's literally on every tool that Serpstat offers, and the main difference that they have amongst themselves is that for this one, competitors is for PPC research. So if you want to find out how competitors are ranking in terms of pay-per-click ads, then you would want to utilize this feature that Serpstat has. So here you have a list of all the competitors that are relevant to this specific keyword that we have inputted earlier, and as well as all the metrics that they have corresponding as well. So common keywords, all keywords, total ads. These are very similar on all over or across all of these tools. So yeah, if you wanna have or if you wanna experience that, then definitely head on over to serpstat.com, create your account, and then get things started for you and your business over there. So yeah, that's basically it for our video for today. It's just a quick one because we have gone through the competitors function quite a lot of times now, having been discussed all of these prior. So if you have any takeaways, of course, please do leave a comment and then give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully see you on the next video.